Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use Gemini 2.0 to make learning more interactive and boost your skill building process. Whether you're studying for exams, learning a new language, or mastering professional skills, Gemini 2.0 provides personalized and dynamic learning tools. First of all, access the Gemini 2.0, right? Make sure that you click that Gemini title at the top and set it to Gemini 2.0 and select your learning objective. For example, define what you want to learn or improve. For example, let's say you're preparing for a public speaking competition. Enter a detailed prompt like, help me practice, right? Public speaking by creating a speech exercise, right, where I need to answer important, let me switch that, need to answer improvisation questions confidently. All right, gonna hit enter right here, and you're gonna see the output, and Gemini will create a dynamic Q&A or basically a scenario. Right here you're gonna see the exercise title, the hot seat, practice thinking on your feet, formulating coherent responses under pressure, and delivering them with confidence. You're gonna see the materials, timer, and everything. Procedure, question selection. Have someone else, a family or friend or family member, or even a random question generator online ask you that question one at a time. Alternatively, you can write the questions on a slip of paper and draw them randomly. Give yourself a short moment, a few seconds, to gather your thoughts before answering. This stimulates the brief pause you might take in a real Q&A situation. And speak clearly, maintain eye contact, imagine an audience, and project a confidence even if you're unsure of the right answer. Focus on delivering well-structured and coherent responses, even if it's brief. And optional, time yourself. If you want to add an extra challenge, set time limit for each answer. You're gonna see right here, personal question, for example. If you could have any superpower, what would it be and why? Right? And you're gonna set the timer for 1 to 2 minutes, and you're gonna answer it. What's the most interesting thing you've learned recently? And describe the time you overcame a challenge. Right? You're gonna see the opinion based. What do you think the biggest challenge facing our society today? Is the social media a positive or negative influence? What are your thoughts on the future of work? Hypothetical, if you could travel to any time period, when would you go and why? If you were given $1 million to start a business, what would it be, or what would you do? Imagine you're given a TED Talk. What would be the topic? In current events, adapt these to current events or news. What are your thoughts on the latest developments in the current event? How do you think the current event will impact the future? Right here, and you're gonna see basically the answer, right? And you can adjust the difficulty or type the exercises to match your skill level, right? And basically, there you have it. Gemini 2.0 makes learning interactive, tailored, and effective. Try out to master new skills, and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.